Good morning. Our next practice is an ancient yogis practice of pranayama or of the breath work. Using our long deep breathing technique this morning, we're going to connect with the divine. We're going to restore this divine inside of us. We're going to uplift our energy towards our heart center, towards our third eye center, keeps us that keeps us to connect with our intuitive mind and open our hearts. Please move towards the edge of your chair. Find middle part of your buttocks and ground your pelvic down. Separate your feet apart. Make your feet longer and wider. Spread your toes wide and truly ground yourself. Connect with the floor, connect with your chair, feel you're grounded. And then on your next inhale, slowly start to inhale in your lower abdominal, your low lungs, lifting your diaphragm up, your upper lungs, expanding your chest, even your collarbones come up. Feeling expansion, elongation in your torso. Hold it briefly. Relax your facial muscles. And then when you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously start to exhale from your upper lungs, your low lungs, and exhale, pull your navel in on the end of your exhalation, forcing stale energy, stale air out. The position of our hands, our mudra, the prayer position, Ajali mudra, palms together. Feel your connection. Press your palms with about 10 pounds pressure. Extend your thumbs and bring your hands first in front of your heart center. With your thumbs, with the tips of your thumbs, physically find middle of your chest. Just like kind of explore your chest right now. Find the right position. You will feel it. Physically help your heart to lift. Engage your shoulder blades, especially bottom part of your shoulder blades, guiding your heart slightly forward and up. Elongate through your spine. Bring your chin slightly in, elongating even more through your neck. Close your eyes and just simply connect right now. Just feel your feet connected, your pelvic connected and grounded, your palms connected together. On your next inhale, lift your hands towards your forehead. And with the tips of your thumbs, find base of your brows. Again, take your time finding right spot. You will feel the pressure point there. Gently lean against your thumbs, but keep your spine straight. Now physically roll your eyes in and up towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows, and stay connected there. On your next inhale, please inhale in your low abdominal, your low lungs, your upper lungs. Hold your breath. And when you're ready to let go, slowly, consciously release, let go everything out. Hold your exhalation. When you're ready to inhale, slowly, consciously inhale, lifting, expanding yourself. Hold it. And when you're ready to let go, exhale, release, let go, empty yourself. Hold your emptiness. And go ahead, next inhale, lifting, expanding yourself, connecting, hold it, And then slowly, consciously release, let go, let God. Keep breathing, please. Relax your facial muscles, drop your shoulders down. Keep your optical focus towards your third eye center, connecting with your intuitive mind, with your higher self. Keeping your eyes closed, keeping your optical focus towards your third eye center, slowly release your arms down, place top of your hands on your laps, palms facing up, join your index and thumbs together. Keep your long, deep, conscious breath going. Inhale and exhale out of your nose. Facial muscles relaxed, shoulders dropped down, spine elongated, with your crown reaching up and your tailbone reaching down. Keep breathing, inhale, allowing the divine energy enter your body, lifting, expanding, connecting. And when you exhale, release, let go, stale energy, stale air out, empty yourself. And with this emptiness, expand even more. Keep going. Hear your breath. Feel your breath. Entering and exiting. Keeping your eyes closed, please take another long, deep, conscious inhale, lifting, expanding, connecting. And on your exhalation, slowly, consciously exhale, release, let go, let God. Inhale, turn your palms face down, releasing your mudra. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. And on your next inhalation, start leaning forward, opening your chest, guiding your heart forward. Exhale, collapse your chest, lean back, engage your abdominal muscles, engage bottom part of your buttocks, guiding your tailbone under, curving your spine. Inhale again, send your heart forward, and exhale, lean back. Warming up your spinal column, keep going. Follow your breath. With every breath, balancing your nervous system, opening your heart center. Inhale, guiding your heart forward. Exhale, collapsing your chest, separating your shoulder blades from your spine. Inhale, expanding your abdominal muscles. Exhale, contracting, oxygenating every internal organ with your breath, warming up your digestive system. Facial muscles relaxed, keep going, please. Just few more breaths. Breathing, inhale, exhale out of your nose. One more time, please. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, bring your chest above your pelvic, your head above your chest. Exhale, drop your shoulders down, elongate through your spine even more. And on your next inhale, if your eyes closed, slowly open your eyes. Soften your gaze with your heart lifted, shoulders down, facial muscles relaxed. Only eyes, please. Start moving your eyes up and down, up, 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 down. Last time down. Soft gaze, straight forward, please. Lift your heart, drop your shoulders, elongate through your spine even more. Only eyes, please. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Last time left. Soft gaze forward, please. Keep breathing. Only eyes. Right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up, left, down. Circle, please, same direction. Slowly moving your eyes, stretching your eye muscles. One more time. Soft gaze forward, please. Heart lifted, shoulders down. Keep breathing. Only eyes. Left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. One more time. And then circle, please. Slowly moving your eyes. keeping your spine tall. One more time. Soft gaze forward. Inhale. Exhale, drop your arms down. Inhale, open your palms face out. Lift your arms, reaching up. Lift yourself, connect your palms. And exhale, bring your hands to your heart with your thumbs. Find the middle of your chest. Again, physically help your heart to be lifted. Exhale, drop your shoulders down. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. With your eyes closed, on your next inhale, turn your head to your left and exhale right. Inhale left, exhale right. Keep going. Just simply follow your breath. Keep your shoulders relaxed. One more time. Inhale left, exhale right. Inhale center, keeping your heart lifted. Exhale, drop your head to your heart. Through your nose, please. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Hold it. Through your mouth with HA sound. Release, let go, everything out. Through your mouth, inhale, please. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go, empty yourself, engage your lower abdominal, and on your next inhale, slowly start rotating your head. Inhale over your right, up, exhale, left, and down. Keep going. Simply follow your breath, rolling your head, releasing tension, stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders, opening your spinal column. Facial muscles relaxed. Please keep breathing. Follow your breath. Enjoy your breath. Hear your breath. One more time. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted through your nose, please. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. Reverse direction with your head, please, on your inhale. Follow your breath. Facial muscles relaxed. One more time. Finishing with your head to your heart. With your heart lifted once more through your nose. Long, deep inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. And through your nose, exhale, release, let go. On your next inhale, unroll your head. Exhale, drop your arms down. Inhale, turn your palms out. Open yourself, lift, reach, connect your palms, stretching yourself. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Our next practice is the Kriya Yoga practice. Please welcome on your mat. Take your time, separate your feet apart, soften your knees, and just simply close your eyes right now. While we're waiting, close your eyes, drop your shoulders down. Welcome, welcome. Elongate through your spine, lift your heart. On your inhale, please turn your palms face out. Lift your arms, reach, connect, and exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect, soften your knees. Exhale, bow down, drop your arms, relax your head. On your next inhale, right away, unroll up, open yourself, lift, reach, connect, exhale to your heart. Inhale. Open, lift, reach, connect, soft knees. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, slowly unroll. Open again, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your heart. Last time, inhale. Connect your palms, hold, stretch, and exhale. Soften your knees, bow down. Please keep your knees soft. Stay down this time. Relax your neck. Wave yes and no with your head, making sure your neck relaxed. Keep your long, deep breath going. Inhale. Exhale out of your nose. Connect with your breath. Inhale in the center, and on your next exhale, press your left foot down, send energy up your leg, pull up your kneecap, gently press front of your left leg back towards your hamstring, guide your left hip back, and with your torso slowly twist towards your right side. Twist to expanding, opening, stretching your left side. Try to elongate through your left leg even more. Inhale. Keep your neck relaxed. Exhale. Keep breathing. One more breath, please. Bless you. Inhale, come back in the center. Soften both knees. Exhale. Inhale in the center. And exhale, start pressing your right foot down. Send energy up your right leg. Press front of your right leg back. Guide your right hip back. Twist your torso to your left. Stretching and opening your right side. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Keep connection with your breath. Soften your facial muscles. Relax your abdominal. One more breath. On your next inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften both knees. Engage your abdominal, and on your next inhale, slowly start to unroll up. Remember to guide your tailbone down, engaging your buttocks. Slowly lift your shoulders, your neck, and bring your head above your chest. Turn your palms out. Inhale, open yourself, lift, reach, connect your palms, stretch yourself, and exhale. Your hands to your heart with your thumbs. Again, find middle of your chest and lift your sternum, lift your heart up. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Get connected with your intuitive mind, with your higher self. Long, deep, conscious breath. Check your weight now. Bring your weight evenly between your right and left foot. Find your middle, your balance between your strength, your power, and your emotions. Bring your weight in the middle between front and back of your feet. Find yourself in the present moment, the moment between your past and your future. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Long, deep, conscious exhale. On your next inhale, slowly open your eyes. Keep your heart lifted. Exhale, release your arms down. Inhale, open your palms out. Open yourself even more. Lift yourself even higher. Connect your palms. Stretch. And exhale, bring it to your heart. On your inhale, extend your arms out. Bring them parallel to the floor. Reaching actively with your arms. Drop your shoulders down. On inhale, lift your fingers up. And exhale, down. Just simply moving your hands up and down. Follow your breath. Powerful breath. In and out of your nose. In, out, in, out, in, out. Keep going. Inhale up, exhale down. If your eyes open, find one spot in front of you and just simply soften your gaze. Meditate on this spot. If your eyes closed, keep your optical focus towards your third eye center. One more time, up, down. Inhale, stretch your arms out. Only wrists, please. 4 times. 4, circle, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows, please. 1, 2. Heart lifted. 3 and 4. Big circle. Stretching your arms, cross, and exhale, take down. Inhale, open, lift, reach, cross your other arm in the front. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Just simply follow your breath. In and out of your nose. In and out. Inhale, exhale, exhale. One more time. Reverse direction, please. Cross, lift, open yourself. Exhale, inhale, exhale. Keep breathing. Expanding your electromagnetic field. One more time. Reach out with your arms, please. Elbows. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wrists. 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn your palms face up, spread your fingers wide, lift your heart, lift your gaze up, open yourself. Exhale, fold your thumbs in, cover your thumbs, turn your palms face down, drop your head to your heart, still reaching with your arms. Inhale, open yourself, expand, gaze up, exhale, surrender. Again, inhale, open. And exhale, surrender. Last time, inhale, open yourself, spread your fingers wide, lift your arms, connect your palms. Soften your gaze, join your fingers together and bring your hands to your heart. Close your eyes. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Inhaling as much as you can, expanding even more. And long, deep, conscious exhale, releasing, letting go even more. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, simply drop your arms down, shake, and only shoulders. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep going. Inhale up, exhale down. Breathing in and out of your nose. Powerful breath. Inhale up, exhale down. Releasing tension, stiffness in your neck, in your shoulders, in your upper back area. Releasing, dropping everything off your shoulders. Inhale, exhale. Please go as fast or as slow as it feels right for you this morning. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Drop your shoulders deep down, heavy arms, close your eyes. And just simply allow tension, stress, discomfort. Simply release your body through your arms, down the tips of your fingers. Exit your body, release it, release, let go, everything out. On your next inhale, open your eyes, exhale, palms out, open yourself, lift, reach, connect, stretch again, grounded and lift at the same time. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale, open your arms out. Turn your palms face forward, fold your forefingers in with your thumbs pointed up. Inhale, stretch your arms. Exhale, bend your elbows, point your thumbs down. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Please start engaging your navel center. Inhale, slightly expand your abdominal. Exhale, contract, pulling your navel in, out, in, out. Just simply follow your breath. Inhale, expanding your abdominal. Exhale, contracting. 4, 3, 2, and last time 1. Inhale, reach with your arms up. Spread your fingers wide. Hold your breath. And turn your palms out. Slowly exhale, pressing everything down. Take your arms down. Roll your shoulders back. And then forward. Please change direction. Roll your shoulders back. Inhale. Open your palms out. Exhale. Lift your arms. Bring them parallel this time. Drop your shoulders down. Turn your palms face forward. Join your index and thumbs together. Inhale, reach. Exhale, pull your elbows down. Gently give yourself a hug with your upper arm, with your elbows. Lift your heart up. Drop your shoulders down. Again, inhale, reach. And exhale, down. Keep going. Please follow your breath. Go as fast or as slow as it feels right to you. Inhale up, exhale down, in, out. Breathing in and out of your nose. Powerful breath. Four more times. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give yourself a nice gentle hug. Keep your heart lifted. Inhale. Exhale, shift your weight over to your left. Lift your right knee up. Inhale, take down. Exhale, left. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Keep going. Please follow your breath. Keep engaging your abdominal muscles, especially on your exhalation. Pull your navel in and lift your knee up. Bring your focus towards your standing leg. Engage your buttocks on the standing leg. Maybe even pull your kneecap. Strong leg, straight leg. Feel yourself balanced, strong, powerful, even on one leg. Keep breathing. Hear your breath. One more time for each leg. Inhale, reach. Shift your weight, lift your right knee up, and exhale, take down. Inhale, arms up and leg down. Inhale, 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 exhale. Keep going. Finding your balance. Just remember, sometimes falling off and losing our balance part of the life. Just go back to the mat. Inhale, X. In, X. Focus on your knee that you lift up. Reaching as high almost with your knee as your arms reach. One more time for each leg. Inhale, reach with your arms up. Spread your fingers, close your eyes. Exhale, keep reaching. Long, deep inhale again. Contract your rectum. your internal organs. Pull your navel in, bring your chin in, lift, pull, exhale. Again, long deep inhale, contract, lift, pull, hold it, exhale. One more time, long deep inhale, contract, lift, pull, and exhale. Turn your palms out, take your arms down. Long deep inhale, long deep exhale. Just simply enjoy sensation in your body right now. Enjoy your energy, that energy that you awaken right now. One more breath. On your next inhale, open your eyes. Separate your feet apart. Find nice grounded position. And bring your hands on your abdominal, please. Inhale, expand your abdominal muscles. And exhale, pull your navel in, contract. Again, inhale, expand. And exhale, contract. Keep going. Oxygenating every internal organ on your exhalation. And on your exhalation, releasing toxins, releasing stale energy, stale air out. One more time. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, bend your knees and place your hands on your laps or on your knees. Please keep your knees bent and very careful. You can stay as up as you need to. We're going to work, keep going with navel breathing right now. Keep warming up our navel center, our internal organs. We're going to take long deep inhale, long deep exhale. Pull your navel in. Again, inhale, exhale. Now long deep inhale, please. And on your exhalation, take your tongue out of your mouth. Just stretch your tongue. And we're going to start breath in and out of the mouth, like a little dog. Yes, breathing, panting, like. Please go as fast or as slow as it feels right to you. And the main thing, engage your navel center. Pump your navel out when you inhale and pull it in, pump it in when you exhale. Focus on pumping your navel in and out, in and out. Take long deep inhale. Long deep exhale, kind of relax. Again, inhale. Exhale. We're going to do one more set right now. Inhale. Go ahead, exhale, open your mouth, take your tongue out and start panting. Go at your own tempo, please. Stimulate your digestive system, stimulating your immune system. Long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Long deep inhale. Exhale. And this time, long deep inhale, expand your abdominal, hold it. Now, long deep exhale, pull your navel in, hold your exhalation, and start pumping your navel out, in, while you're holding your exhalation. Inhale, exhale, again, inhale, exhale, long deep inhale, hold it slightly. Long deep exhale, hold, pull your navel in, start pumping out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, out, in, out, in. One more set. Inhale. Exhale. Again, inhale. Exhale. Long deep inhale. Hold it. Long deep exhale. Pull your navel in, hold, and then pump your navel. Out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Inhale. And exhale. Simply release your arms without going down. Just stay where you are. Relax your neck. Drop your head. On your next inhale, slowly unroll up. Bring your chest above your pelvic and very slow return your head above your chest. Turn your palms out. Inhale, open. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Remember, with your thumbs, connect to your heart center. Lift it. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Your choice. Long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. One more breath. And your next inhale, open your eyes. Exhale, release your arms. And our next exercise, you can stay with your feet mat width apart. Maybe reach outside of the mat, or maybe take direction on the mat as I am this way, so you can have wider stand. Open your feet apart, find yourself grounded and stable. Inhale, extend your arms out. And exhale, send your heart forward. Bring your back parallel to the floor and bring your gaze down. No tension in the neck. Inhale, reach, and then exhale, twist to your right side, reaching up with your right arm. Inhale, center, and exhale, change. Keep going. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Please go as fast or as slow as it feels right for you. Just simply moving from side to side. Focus on the arm that is reaching up. Sending energy up this arm. And of course, keep breathing. Follow your breath. Keep going. Now start focusing on the arm that is reaching down, maybe even touching your mat with the tips of your fingers, maybe placing your palm down. Follow your breath. One more time for each side, please. Inhale, open your arms out. Exhale, drop your arms. If you are reaching towards your mat, maybe place your hands or tips of your fingers on the mat. If you are not reaching towards your mat, just simply place your hands on your thighs. Drop your head down and relax. Eyes open. Inhale. Exhale. Find one spot on your mat. Soft gaze. Meditate on this spot without moving your eyes anywhere else. Just stay connected. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Long deep inhale. Exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominal to support your low back. And on your inhale, slowly start to unroll up. Bring your chest above your pelvic. Slowly return your head back above your chest. Elongate. Inhale, open, lift, reach, connect, expanding and lifting yourself even more. Exhale, bring it to your heart. Inhale and exhale. Now please, if you are, some of you need to step forward. If you are on the mat in the same position as I am, please just simply turn your right toe out. Or step forward if your mat is in a different position right now. Step forward with your right leg. Bring your left foot 45 degrees angle. Find yourself nice, stable, in a wide open stand and center your weight right now. Bring your weight just evenly between your right and left. Keeping your left hand on your hip, you can keep your right hand on your right hip too. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, bend your right knee and bring your right knee above your right ankle. Make sure your chest is above your pelvic and your head above your chest. Center yourself. On your inhale, with your left hand, gently guide your left hip forward, direction of your right leg. Bring your chest, your pelvic facing your right leg. Engage your left buttock and then simply open back out. Again, inhale slowly, turn, and then come back. Keep your left buttock engaged. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Find your center, elongate. Inhale, extend your arms out, reach in opposite directions, away from your heart center. Drop your shoulders down. Inhale, crown up. Exhale, maybe going a little bit deeper down. Turn your palms face out. Fold your forefingers in the fists with your thumbs facing up. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, bend your left elbow. And with your elbow reaching out, slowly turn your head direction of your right arm. Bring your soft but focused gaze towards your nail. One small spot even on your nail, on your thumb. Long deep inhale. Long deep exhale. Again inhale. Exhale. Long deep inhale, and we're going to start the breath of fire. Pull the navel out and in, breathing in and out of your nose. Go as fast or as slow as it feels right to you. Breathing in, out, working your navel center. Please remember, if you have high blood pressure, stay with your long, deep breath. If you have your period, also stay with your long, deep breath. And remember, if you feel dizzy or discomfort, again, connect with your long, deep breath. You can go as fast or as slow as it feels right for you. Long, deep inhale, please. Hold your breath. Contract your rectum. Pull your navel in. Chin slightly in. Contract. Lift, pull. Wake up. Uplift your energy. Exhale. Again, long, deep inhale. Contract. Lift, pull. Hold your breath. Stay connected. Exhale. One more time. Long, deep inhale. Contract, lift, pull, and exhale, release. Pivot on your feet, bring your feet parallel, extend your arms, inhale, reach, slowly bow down, keep your eyes open, drop your head, find your spot on the mat, meditate on this spot, long, deep inhale, long, deep exhale. One more breath. Inhale, exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominals, slowly unroll up. Remember, bring your chest above your pelvic first, and then your neck, your head. Now please turn your left foot out, bring your right foot 45 degrees angle. Inhale, place your hands on your hips. Exhale, bend your left knee, send your pelvic down. keeping your left knee above your left ankle and your left knee direction of your left toe elongates through your spine. Inhale, exhale, drop your shoulders down. On your next inhale, guide your right hip towards your left leg. Keep your buttock engaged and exhale, open. Heart lifted, crown reaching up. Again, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. Inhale, exhale, open. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, maybe go a little bit deeper down. Strengthening your legs, balancing yourself. Inhale, extend your arms out, turn your palms face out. Fold your forefingers into fists, thumbs facing up. Inhale, elongate your spine. Exhale, bend your right elbow. Reaching with your right elbow to your right. Exhale, turn your head direction of your left arm. Soft but focused gaze towards your nail. Find one spot on your nail. Focusing there, connecting there. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And long, deep inhale to begin the breath of fire. Remember, breathing in and out of your nose. Pumping your navel in and out. Oxygenating, strengthening, detoxifying yourself. Remember, please always listen to yourself. Keep your facial muscles relaxed. Soft but focused gaze. Strong, powerful, connected. Long, deep, conscious inhale. Contract your rectum, your internal organs, navel in, chin slightly in. Contract, lift, pull, hold it. Exhale. Again, inhale. Contract, lift, pull, hold. Exhale. One more time. Contract, lift, pull. And exhale. Extend your arms out, pivot on your feet, parallel feet, wide arms. Exhale, bow down, keep your eyes open. Relax your neck, relax your abdominal. If you need, soften your knees. Long, deep, conscious breath. Stay connected. Meditate on your spot. Maybe even chanting silently. Inhale, I. Exhale, M. Connecting. Keeping this connection with your higher self, with your strong self, balanced, powerful, focused and gentle at the same time. One more breath. On your next inhale, walk towards your right leg. Hold your right ankle with your right foot and gently pull yourself towards your leg. One more breath. Inhale, come back in the center, and exhale, change sides, reach towards your left ankle. Inhale, elongate your torso, and exhale, gently pull yourself towards your left leg. Keep breathing. One more breath. On your inhale, come back in the center. Exhale, soften your knees, engage your abdominal. Inhale, slowly unroll up. Your pelvic above your chest, your neck slowly, and your head. Open yourself even more, expanding yourself even more. Lift, reach, connect. Exhale, bring it to your heart. With your heart lifted, walk your feet carefully. Bring your feet together. Join your legs together. Squeeze everything towards your center. Lift your heart. And once more, inhale, lift your arms. Connect, maybe doing slightly back, bend, reaching back. And exhale, bring it to your heart. Please lie down on your mat, on your back. Walk your feet towards your buttocks. Separate your feet apart. Place your arms beside of you. Inhale, expand your abdominal. Lift your low back slightly off the floor, keeping your pelvic down. Tailbone is still on the floor. And exhale, pull your navel in. Press your low back down. Inhale, arch. And exhale, flatten. Press your low back down. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale, press your low back down. Inhale, extend your arms over your head. Keep reaching, keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, reach. Exhale, clasp your hands. Lift your head up. Place your hands behind your head. Inhale, elbows wide. Exhale, pull your navel in. Curl up. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Keep going. Inhale, down. Exhale, pull your navel in. Squeeze your low ribs towards your hips. 4 more times. 4. Inhale. 3. 2. Keep breathing. Inhale, down. Exhale, up. Curl up. Stay up. Inhale. Here. Exhale. Bring your right knee up. Inhale. Exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, extend your right leg. Inhale, exhale, extend your left. Join your heels together. Turn your toes slightly out, pointing your toes. Extend, elongate through your legs. Squeeze your legs gently together. And on your inhale, slightly take your legs down. And exhale, pull your navel in, lift your legs up. Again, inhale. And engage your abdominal, lift up. Inhale, reaching with your legs far, long legs. Exhale up. Please engage your buttocks when your legs go down and make sure your low back stays on the floor. Go only as low with your legs as your low back is still connected to the floor. 4 more times. 4. 3. 2. Last time. Inhale, reach with your legs. Exhale, bend your knees. Unroll down. Elbows open, knees together. Start drawing circles with your knees, rolling on your low back. Keep breathing. One more breath, one more roll. And then reverse, please. One more breath. One more roll. Knees up, inhale, exhale, curl up, pull your navel in, extend your right leg, extend your left leg up. Now please take your legs down again, go as much down as your low back allows you. Hold it, keep breathing, maybe shorter breath, keep breathing, allow your abdominal muscles to shake, releasing tensions from your nervous system, strengthening your abdominal. Inhale, exhale, pull your knees in. One breath, and let's go ahead, extend legs out. Again, keep them as low as it works for your low back. Keep breathing, keep holding, releasing tension from your nervous system, strengthening your abdominal. Pull your knees in. One more set. Inhale. Take care of your low back. Make sure your legs only go as down as your low back feels happy. Bring your knees in and roll down. Place your feet down on the floor. Release your arms beside of you. Turn your palms face up. Inhale, exhale, drop your shoulders down. Open your knees out. Join soles of your feet together. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Imagine you're holding your tailbone between your heels and pulling your tailbone down. Your low back is not arched. Your crown is reaching away from your tailbone. Inhale, elongate even more. Exhale, lift your right leg and bring your right leg on the top of your left. Twisting your knees to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Roll your head towards your right shoulder. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, roll back in the center. One long, deep breath in the center. Inhale, exhale, change sides. Left leg on the top of your right. Twisting your knees to your right. Your head rolls towards your left shoulder. Long, deep breath. One more breath. Inhale, lift your heart. Exhale, back in the center. Another long, deep breath. Exhaling, releasing, letting go. Now lift your left leg again. Roll on your right side completely. Using your right upper arm as a pillow. Left palm on the floor in front of your heart center. Please take one long, deep breath. Bless you. If you have sweatshirts, socks, jackets, or blankets, please slowly get up, get your jackets, your sweatshirts, your socks, and come back on your mat for the final part of your yoga practice. We're going to stay on the floor for about 10 minutes for our relaxation, for restoration, for savasana. Please make sure you keep your body heat trapped in and use your clothes. Lie down on the floor on your mat. Elongate through your spine. And remember, this is a very important time of your practice. The time to be still, time for your body to heal itself. Without your involvement, without moving, just simply in the stillness, restoration and healing process. Place your arms beside of you. Turn your palms face up to receive. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center, the point between your eyebrows. Now point your toes down. Contract arches of your feet. Contract your ankles, your calves. Pull your kneecaps up. Engage your buttocks. Tension your legs. Tension your abdominal now, your back. Lift your shoulders up. Squeeze fists with your hands. Tension your arms. Squeeze your face. Tension all your body right now. Bring as much tension as you can. Your skin tense, your bones, everything. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Maybe even squeeze your teeth. Slowly start relaxing your toes, your ankles, calves, knees, thighs, hamstrings, buttocks, your abdominal, your back. Release your fists, release your facial muscles. Inhale, lift your shoulders up. And exhale, allow your shoulders to drop even deeper down. Eyes closed, optical focus towards your third eye center. Take a long, deep inhale. And through your mouth, exhale, release, let go, let God. Keeping your eyes closed, your long deep breath going. Optical focus towards your third eye center. Start wiggling your toes, your fingers. Rotate your wrists and ankles. Reverse direction, please. On your next inhale, sweep your arms up, reach up over your head. Point your toes, reaching opposite direction. Keep stretching, keep reaching, keep breathing. Strengthening, lengthening your nervous system. One more breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, slowly take your arms down, one knee at a time. Bring both knees up. Pull your knees in towards your chest. Rock from side to side. One more time. Inhale in the center. Exhale, open your arms in a T shape. Inhale, elongate through your spine, and exhale, take your knees to your right with your upper body opening to your left. Long, deep, conscious breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, engage your abdominal, lift your legs, roll on your low back, and take your legs to your left with your upper body opening to your right. Long, deep breath. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, lift your legs. Roll on your right side completely. Using your right upper arm as a pillow, bring your left palm on the floor in front of your heart center. Close your eyes. Long, deep inhale. Long, deep exhale. Allowing all that wonderful energy that you created during this morning practice settle in your body. On your next inhale, slowly and gently press yourself up in the cross-legged seated position. Rock from side to side. Find middle part of your buttocks. Rest your arms on your knees with your palms facing up. Join your index and thumbs together. Close your eyes. Bring your optical focus towards your third eye center. Lift your heart. Drop your shoulders down. We're going to finish our morning yoga kriya practice today with the 3 gratitude breaths. Gratitude to yourself for being here today. Through your nose, please take long, deep inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose. Through your nose, inhale. Through your mouth. Through your mouth, inhale. Through your nose, exhale. One more breath through your nose. Inhale, silently chanting I. Through your mouth, exhale, chanting Through your mouth, inhale silently I. Through your nose, exhale On your inhale, slowly open your eyes. Exhale, release your mudra. Inhale, sweep your arms up, connect your palms, gaze up. Exhale, twist and open to your right. Inhale, lift your heart up, lift your gaze up. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center, open, lift, reach, connect. Exhale to your left. Inhale, lift your heart, lift your gaze. Exhale, bow down. Back in the center, open, lift, reach, connect. Keep reaching. Exhale. Inhale, open your eyes wide. Spread your fingers wide. Exhale, soften your gaze. Join your fingers together. Bring your hands to your heart. Bow down. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. Thank you so very much for practicing. Namaste.